Hey guys, it is Nora and Vlogs 27, and today I'm going to be doing my June favorites squishy edition. So I'm going to be showing you guys my top 5 favorite squishies, and also me and my sister are going to be making a slime shop called Quiet Bunny Slime. So that will be coming out soon, and I'll be doing a different video about that. So if you guys want to buy some slimes, but today we're going to be doing my June favorite squishy edition. So let's get started. So my fifth favorite for June is a super cute donut, and this one is like a bear donut. It's so cute. I would say that it's kind of slimerizing, but it's really cute. Pretty soft. It's like different. And I put my name on the back. This one smells like one of my best friend squishies. This one I got literally at my sister's gymnastics meet, but it's really good. So number 4 would be this kitty in a cone. So it's like an ice cream cone with kitty ice cream. Sorry. This one is from Squishy Stress Gear. I love their brand. This one is one of the mini ones, I think. Yeah. This one was only like $2.99 though too. So that was pretty good. I got that from Walgreens. So my third favorite is probably one of my bento box squishies. This came with a whole bento box, but I just really like this one. This is a Peppy Pup, and this one came in like the $20 bento box. It got a little mark on it, but yeah. It is so slimerizing, you don't know. This is probably the most slimerizing one I have in my collection. It's gonna take forever. I'm just saying. Especially the ears. I was squishing the ears. Even the pickle is slimerizing. Like, yeah, that one's really slimerizing. And then number 2 would be one I just got today, which is actually got this one from Target. This one is from Soft and Slow, and it is this kitty astronaut one. It is pretty slimerizing. Like, I would say I've been pretty obsessed with Soft and Slow lately. There's just been one I didn't like that was $10 and I hate, but I had 2 other ones that I really like. They had so many at Target, like so many of the Soft and Slow ones. They had like some fidget smidgets, and they had like this cupcake that was from Soft and Slow, but I got this one. This kitty astronaut. I love this one. This one's a good size. It is in between the small and jumbo, which is really cool. And of course, my favorite is my jumbo pop-pop sheep. Because, like, as you know, the pop-pop sheeps are like so much money. It is like an honor to have one of these. This is like the rainbow shimmer version, I think, which I like to say is like pearly rainbow because it's like really pearly rainbow. Oh my gosh, it's like so satisfying. Look at that. Oh, it's like an actual sheep. It's so satisfying. So yeah, that was my top favorites. So we got this one, we got this one, we got a whole bunch of other ones. I'm just obsessed with squishing this one. This one just has a squish I really like. So yeah. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget that stay tuned for the other video. I'm going to be showing you guys what slime ingredients we're going to be using for Quiet Bunny slimes. That's going to be coming out. We're hoping that we can get launched before school starts. We don't know though, because we have a lot of stuff to do. We're hoping by August we can maybe have a plan, yeah. But don't forget to go and do that. And bye guys.